I'm Caroline from Naveze. Welcome to the demo of the Naveze Playground, the tool that allows you to maintain your spatial data for places, spaces and events with no technical skills at all. So first of all, we're going to enter a location that we're going to use for our demonstration, which is the Sydney Olympic Park. So the base map, in case you're wondering, is actually OpenStreetMap, which is an open source mapping tool. So you can see here, it's got all the layout for Sydney Olympic Park. So what I'm going to do in the first part of the demo is show you how easy it is to create your own spatial data without being a geospatial engineer or professionally trained. So we're going to click on the drawing tool and we're going to add three things. I'm going to add a building, I'm going to add some locations, and I'm going to add a navigation path for pedestrians. So this is really important in that it highlights yet again the Google gap, which is maps only record roads. There might be the occasional pedestrian path included, but generally speaking, there is no visibility and accessibility of pedestrian paths in maps, either Google or open source. So first of all, we're going to draw a polygon, which is basically the shape of the Kudos Bank Arena. And I'm just going to do this. So it does actually have that funny little kink there. Okay, so you can see there I've traced Kudos Bank Arena, and that actually anchors the building to a GPS location, which is really important when you want to do things like upload internal architectural drawings to facilitate indoor navigation and maps with other tools. So I'm going to add a label for Kudos Bank Arena. I'm also going to add a label because I know here is the box office, so that's where you pick up your tickets. I'm also going to add a label here because this is where you walk in underneath the building to get into the car park P1. I'm going to add another button here for the P1 location, the car park. And I also know that there is a location here, which is the corporate box entry. So you can see that you can add details here to explain all the attributes for that location. So what I'm going to do now is show you how to draw a pedestrian path. So we know that you can actually walk as a pedestrian right round the outside of Kudos, including accessing that corporate box area there. Whoop. You can walk around here, and then you can walk into the car park. And actually, there's a underground walkway under this road, so you can add that as well. And there's a big gateway there. Okay. So you can see I've done three things. I've created a building to show the map, the physical footprint of the building. I've added some location markers, which are for the name of the building. So you would have things like opening hours, whether it's multi-level. I've added entry gates for different types of visitors. And I've also added a pedestrian only path, which I can also add attributes to saying wheelchair access, open all hours, that kind of thing. So that's shown you how easy it is for people in your business to create place, space and event data that you can use to improve visitor experience at your place, space or location. So let's say you've already got a whole lot of data. What you can do is you load your GeoJSON file, which is just the technical file format for spatial data, just like CSV is for Excel data. So I'm going to add that, and you can see that it's uploaded all the data we've created for Sydney Olympic Park onto the map. And you can see here where Kudos Bank Arena is. We've got parking entrances. We've got you can see here, we've got a Kudos ticket box area. So remember, I put a marker there earlier, so it's the same thing. We could probably delete out my marker because there's already one. And this is where you put all your attributes in so you can operationalize that spatial data to improve visitor experience and to record where people spend time. So hopefully that's shown you how easy it is to save money and create data that's really valuable to your business, to analyse where people go, what they search for, and how long they spend there. So thanks for listening, and let us know what you think in the comments below.